Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download songs from YouTube Music the official way. In order to download songs for offline listening on YouTube Music, first of all make sure that you have YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium. You must be a premium subscriber either via YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium to legally save content for offline use. Once you are done with it, you can launch open YouTube Music app. Also make sure that you are logged in with your Google account's credential, and once in the home page, go ahead and find the music you want to download. You can search for music from the categories at the top, or also type for a specific song by using the search button at the top right. After finding the song in the search list, go ahead and tap the three dots right next to the song. You will see a download button at the bottom. Tap on that. If you haven't subscribed to YouTube Premium, you'll need to do it right now. Once you have the premium subscription, you can easily save the download for offline access. Once you download the song, then you can go to your profile from the home page at the top right, and then there you will be able to see the downloads tab, and your downloaded songs will be listed inside this downloads option. So that's how you can easily download songs in YouTube Music. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.